Is this over here where the guy was detecting when you saw him?
No, he was about out here. Yeah,
but you didn't watch him the whole time, so he could have come over here easy.
Check this spot here.
Let's see what it is. Foil, probably foil.
Not very deep, huh?
No. I think it's foil.
Well, good.
Foil seal.
Okay. I'll go over here with you. Where you been? I didn't know. You should have said something about that.
Well, I just wanted to see if it was still there. I've already been over. It's not there. He thought it was right in here. But if it was in there, there's no way it's in there. I found it. Yep, right here.
He's taking a picture. Don't let him. Oh, you got to give it back to him, huh?
No, you can't have it.
Yeah, look at it. He might be photographing over there and he's taking a picture of you with that mount, so you have to hide it. Hide it.
That's weird. That was not hitting.
Let me see what it was here. That's a good hit.
It wasn't hitting that hard. I think something was masking it. Yeah. Well, I'm glad we found it.
I'm glad you found it, not me.
Very cool.